back to my channel. I am Angel.B. So today I did a look using the Juvia's Place Magic Palettes, and it looks like these. I know I'm late. You ain't gotta tell me, I know. But I've been putting it off because I see another palette and then I'm like, oh, I'll get this one. Oh, I'll get this one. So I was like, you know what? I have to do it. And it just keeps calling me. So I went ahead and got it today, and I played with some of the shadows in the palette. And every shade that I use is in this palette. So it's just all Juvia's here. Oh, whatever. But please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see me slay this look, then stay tuned.
Hey y'all, so I'm going to start off with the Plouise base, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it out so that we can have a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Juvia's Place Magic Palette, and because I don't want to botch the names of the shadows, I'm going to just say the dark purple shade, and I'm going to put that into my crease, and then we'll blend it out. Alright, so the next shade we're going to take is this red orange color, and we're going to go ahead and blend that into our brow bone, and then also take it down to the dark purple. Alright, so now we're going to take the dark purple again, and we're going to bring that color up some, just a little above the crease, and then we're going to make sure that they're all blended together. I do go back and forth between the shades to make sure that I didn't lose any of the colors. Alright, so to darken our outer corner, we're going to go into the dark blue that's in the palette, and I'm going to use a small Morphe brush to deepen up my crease and my outer corner. Alright, so I'm going to use the Plouise base again, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. The brush that I'm using is a BH Cosmetics brush. I don't know the name of it, but over time, I've actually got this brush as flat as I need it to be. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that dark purple and start blending that in from the outer corner inwards. And to darken it up some more, I'm going to go back in with the dark blue and add that on too. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this metallic green, which is so beautiful, y'all. So I'm going to use a small brush and just pat it onto my lid, and then I'll go back into the purple to blend it out. Alright, so on camera it looks white, but it's actually pink that I'm using, and I'm going to use that and put that on the inner corner, and then I will blend the green and the purple together. That way there's no harsh lines. And like I said before, I do always go back and forth between the shadows because I just like everything to be the way I like it. So, I mean, it does take time, but it's worth it in the end. So once I get it the way I guess I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and put my wing liner on, but I'm gonna do that off camera and finish my face, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.